So yesterday we moved one of the garden boxes over and I did some cleaning all the way up to here. I took out, there was a bunch of irises in here. I took them out, cleaned that all up and planted a few more back. These ones are yellow and black irises, so I will manage just this little tiny patch. So yeah, I did that. I had another trellis over on the south side of the house that wasn't being used, so I added it to this trellis. I'm going to zip tie it in, and this climbing rose was over on the other side and it's just really suffering, so I think it'll like it here better. It's more protected. So I'm going to plant it right here and it can climb up this structure and hopefully someday cover it. So that'll be nice. And I moved some more plants. So in here I've cleaned all the way to, and I left my little pretties here. I cleaned all the way to here. I've planted two of my hostas. I don't know if this is a good spot for them or not, but it's certainly better than where they were. Now I have to cut back my sage, and I see it's doing this, so I will take those and I'll put them at the front of the house where it's really dry. I think it'll like it there. So I still have this little bit here to clean, and then I'm actually done this part. All that would be left is the little strip of roses, and then of course I've got my daylilies to clean out. So this part of my garden project is almost finished. It's only taken me a week and a half, but that's okay. I'm very happy with this. So today the plan is to empty out the other garden box and place it behind that one. These are not getting filled until next spring. I'm moving all the soil from these two into the other three over there because they were really low. So today, yeah, the plan is to move the other garden box, finish this little bit here. We are supposed to have a few days of rain, which I'll believe it when I see it. But I do believe this is looking a whole lot better. This is almost the same spot where I was sitting when I took my video a few days ago when this was covered in quack. And now it looks lovely. I'm very happy with this. So, I had to pull out my strawberries and I don't know what I'm going to do with them. So for now I'm putting them in some water. And I don't know. I don't want to have, they were in a garden box, but I think I'm going to put them in the ground over by the rhubarb for now. And then I'll make a better decision. Maybe I can get a small round bed just for the strawberries. I don't like to put them with anything else because they just choke everything off. Look at my tree, it's really getting bare on top. The leaves are falling like crazy now. Frost is on its way apparently, so I'm trying to get a lot of this done. I mean, the perennials, it doesn't really matter, they're fine, but don't they look nice? I've got a nice little arrangement here. Let's go around here. Kind of an odd place to catch. Look at that. Isn't that looking nice? I think it looks great. I think it just looks wonderful.